Today we're going to discuss about polymorphism. So basically polymorphism means simply many forms. So it's a Greek word which we use. So basically let's take a straight simple example. You as a person, you do different stuff. You do reading, you do writing, and your behavior changes depends on the person to person you interact. If it's a new person, you kind of be a bit awkward or kind of introvert and stuff. If he's so close, you might behave in a different manner. If he's a teacher, you behave with him in a different manner, he or she or anyone. In the same way, you as a single person, you do behavior in a different manners. It's the same person, it's just you, but you're behaving in different ways, right? In the same way, you do different stuff. Here, in polymorphism, in Java, it literally means that we're gonna create an object of one class with the reference of the other. That means with the reference of the parent class, we're going to create the object. So here I have created a car class. So it does nothing but it has a constructor that says that I'm a car, that's all. And here I have a method called start. So what it does is it's going to say car starts. So here I'm just overriding the method. The class is RR Rolls Royce and the class is Tesla. So that Rolls Royce starts with keys and Tesla starts with a card and a pin, right? So I'm overriding it. So what happens is with the reference of the car class, I'm gonna make an object of Rolls Royce and Tesla, and if I use the start method, I'm gonna get it depending on the method which I use. Let's assume that if I create the car class, the object of car class here, the reference is car class, and the object which I really made is of Rolls Royce here. And if I use start method, then it's gonna run this method, and here it's gonna be this method because I created an object of Tesla with the reference of the car class. So it's also called as runtime polymorphism because what's happening here is after the compiler doesn't know to go with which method, whether it should go with this one. So in the runtime, it's being decided to do which method. So this is also called as late binding. So as you can see here, I ran the code. Since the object is created, so whenever the object is created, it's gonna say I'm a car. And since first I made with Rolls Royce, so it's gonna say starts with keys. Next, the object of second one, I mean the Tesla is being created, so it says I'm a car. And then start method, it says starts with car and pen. Here, as you can see, the reference of car class is being used, but the objects of Tesla and Rolls Royce are being made. That means during the runtime, after compilation, at the runtime, it's going to decide whether it should go with this method, or this method. So that will be decided at the runtime. So this is also known as late binding. I'm repeating it again. That's all. So hope you guys understood.